Welcome to another episode of Brampton Spotlight. I'm Levy with Levy behind the camera. Today we are at Brampton Soccer Center with the motorcycle toy ride. We are here with Greg Ross, the Public Relations Director of Brampton Motorcycle Association.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And how are you this morning?
I'm fine. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. Tell us, why are we out here this morning?
We're here for the kids. This is the 35th annual Brampton BMA Toy Ride Parade. This is the 34th. And to date, we've raised over $100,000 for the pediatric ward of the Brampton Civic Hospital. We've also donated hundreds and hundreds of toys for the Brampton Toys for Tots program, the Salvation Army program. So we are here today for the kids. It's all about the kids. All the money that's raised through the silent auction, through registration, through food sales, all goes directly to the kids. And we're here to have fun.
So who can join your association?
Anybody can join our association. You have to have a motorcycle. Well, most people have a motorcycle. We have a couple of people who used to have motorcycles. So we have motorcyclists, all kinds of bikes. We have all ages. We have all experience levels. And really, our big goal is to have fun. We want the people to be engaged. We want them to participate, but we want them to have fun. So we have regular meetings. We have rides every weekend, and we have events like this, as well as a lot of other social events throughout the year.
That's awesome. You guys sound like you do a lot of stuff in Brampton.
It's all in Brampton.
So now, quick question for you. If somebody wanted to get a hold of you guys, what's the best way for them to do it?
The easiest way is to go on our website. It's the www.bramptonmotorcycleassociation.com or www.the-bma.org. Or they could just Google Brampton Motorcycle Association.
And you know social media is out there. Are you guys on social media?
We're on Twitter, BMA_motorcycle. We are on Facebook. And we're trying to be everywhere.
Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Ross.
Thank you.
And I'm going to be enjoying some of your festivities this morning.
Thank you very much. Glad you're here.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Brampton Spotlight with Carla Bailey, your host, and Levy behind the camera. Bye-bye.